Okay, so this is a video tutorial on how to switch between material thicknesses and programs in the laser. We just finished cutting 3/8 aluminum. We are going to cut 18 gauge galvanized steel. First thing we're going to do is to load our program. Let's eject this disc that has this program in it. And we're going to load this disc that has the new program. Open the file, find the proper program with the part we're cutting. Load the program. After loading the program, it's important to change material in the tech tables. I'm going to search for galvanized steel and filter. There's our galvanized steel. We go into 18 gauge. Let's look at the piercing parameters. We need a 1.2 nozzle. So let's go ahead and change our nozzle. This one is a 1.2. This one's a 2.5. Also take note if it's a single or if it's a double. So it says single, so we're using a single nozzle. This is an example of a double nozzle, which is used for cutting carbon steel, such as heavier 1/4 inch carbon steel or 1/2 inch plate. Switch that around, cut, just hand tighten it, reset, because it's alarming collision error. Okay, galvanized steel, that's our parameters. Let's save it. Upload's okay. Exit. Okay, so we loaded the program. We have the proper tech table in now. Now we have to beam center. So let's close the door. Turn the guide light off and hit beam centering. Alright, there it is. So the goal is we're looking at the nozzle. We have to make sure that the green crosshair is centered with the nozzle, and it seems to be, so we're going to hit our yellow arrow. If it was not, then we can adjust it here. Going down or up. But it's good, so we're going to just hit the yellow arrow. Then from here, we're going to hit the green arrow, and it's going to center the laser beam. It's important that the guide light is turned off, because if we turn the guide light on, it widens it out. So once it's centered, we're just going to hit exit, exit, cycle start. It's going to come home, it's going to open the door, just reset. Now last thing is to touch it off. We're going to go jog. And the X, we're going to move it over. And here we're going to turn the guide light back on. Move it over in Y. Move Z down. We can move it over gently here. I'm still using it in jog mode. We're just going right to that corner. Move it over in X. And there it is, we're right on that corner. So, work offset, set 0. Okay, now keep this page up. Let's jog X, a rapid feed. We're going to jog X down to the side, almost to the end, somewhere down here, and then do the same. So for this time, I'm doing it with the handle controller. Down here, this might be tricky with one hand. And Y, we're going to bring it over. Just right on that edge. That's good right there. Okay, that's just saying if there's any taper in the sheet, it's going to show up here. So hit set point right here. And that just saves the taper. Exit. Go ahead and go to reference, bring Z up, referencing Z back to home position. Start it at 90 or 95 feet rate. We're gonna start at 95 with this. I like to start a little bit slow just in case anything's wrong. And cycle start it. Close the door. Auto mode. And cycle start.